We all get inspired when we listen to music which is produced in just the ways that we like. And so often, the beat programming is central to what draws our ear. Regardless of your level of experience, you're always going to be looking to get better at making beats. And that's what this course is all about. Welcome to Crafting Beats. So what separates those basic patterns from the next level of sophistication? Well, when it comes to beat programming, there is no shortage of considerations which are going to improve the sound of our beats. How long is each hit? Is everything in tune with the rest of the track? Where are our beats coming from? Are we programming every step or mining loops? Real sophistication in beat programming always comes at the mix stage, where we have so many choices. How are we going to EQ every single drum? Should compression be applied at a per drum level or across the whole drum bus? And what role, for instance, can reverb play at the mix stage? We're going to answer all of these questions and many more.